Hi, myself Ranjit. I'm from Kerala. I am here to do the gem identification course and diamond course. Actually, I go through the internet for a lot for finding a good institution to get well trained in this field. After searching a lot, I got the information about the Indian Institute of Gemology, Delhi from the net. I go through their reviews and I talk with so many persons. They also gave me a good review, so I finalized to come and train here. I done the both courses within the 30 to 40 days under with the 25 class each. I walked through all the instruments like polariscope, dichroscope, or microscope, or refractometer. Then actually I do the diamond training with the original diamonds. So after all, I feel a good and atmosphere. Our sir is well experienced person. He trained us well and he cleared my each and every doubts. So I recommended every person to come and take training under this institute. Thank you.